Hey Jordan. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi Alex. It's been a while indeed. I've been good, just busy with work and life. How about you?
Same here. Work has been quite hectic lately, but it's good to catch up like this. So, what's new with you?
Well, I recently started a new hobby. I've taken up painting. It's been a great way to relax and unwind after work.
That sounds wonderful. What kind of painting do you do?
Mostly acrylics on canvas. I love experimenting with colors and abstract designs. It's amazing how therapeutic it can be.
I can imagine. I've always admired people who can paint. I don't think I have the patience for it. How did you get started?
It was quite spontaneous, actually. I went to an art exhibition a few months ago and felt really inspired. I decided to give it a try, bought some supplies, and just started painting.
That's awesome. Do you take any classes or just learn on your own?
Mostly on my own. I watch a lot of tutorials online and try to learn different techniques. Sometimes I go to workshops if there's an interesting one.
Sounds like a great way to spend your free time. Speaking of free time, have you traveled anywhere interesting lately?
Yes. I went to Japan last month. It was an incredible experience. The culture, the food, everything was amazing.
Japan. I've always wanted to go there. What was the highlight of your trip?
There were so many highlights, but if I had to pick one, it would be visiting Kyoto. The temples and gardens were breathtaking. And the cherry blossoms were in full bloom. It was magical.
That sounds like a dream. I need to plan a trip there soon. How long were you there for?
I was there for 2 weeks. It felt too short though. There's so much to see and do. I'm already planning my next trip.
I'm definitely inspired to go now. Any tips for a first-time visitor?
Definitely. Make sure to learn a few basic Japanese phrases. The locals really appreciate it. Also, try to experience both the bustling cities like Tokyo and the serene countryside. It's a beautiful contrast.
Great advice. Thanks. So, how's work going for you?
It's going well. Busy as usual, but I enjoy what I do. We recently launched a new project that I've been working on for months. It's been challenging but rewarding.
That's great to hear. What's the project about?
It's a new software platform designed to streamline project management for small businesses. We've been getting positive feedback so far.
That sounds really useful. I'm sure it will be a big success. I've been working on a new project as well, but in a different field. We're developing a new marketing strategy for our products.
That sounds interesting. Marketing can be really creative and challenging. How's it going?
It's been a roller coaster. Lots of brainstorming and trial and error, but we're starting to see some good results. It's exciting to see our ideas come to life.
I can relate. There's nothing quite like seeing your hard work pay off. By the way, have you been keeping up with the latest movies?
Not as much as I'd like to. I've been meaning to catch up. Any recommendations?
Definitely. You should watch The Last Voyage. It's a brilliant sci-fi film with stunning visuals and a gripping story.
I've heard good things about it. I'll add it to my list. Have you seen any good shows lately?
Yes, I just finished watching The Crown. It's a fascinating portrayal of the British monarchy. The acting and production are top-notch.
I've heard about that one too. I'll have to check it out. It's always good to have some recommendations.
Absolutely. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of going hiking. There's a new trail that just opened up nearby. It's supposed to have some amazing views.
That sounds like a perfect way to unwind. Maybe I'll join you if you don't mind?
Of course. It'll be great to have some company. Let's plan for it.
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It's been great catching up, Jordan. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Let's not wait so long until the next time. Take care, Alex.
You too, Jordan. See you this weekend.